Well, hello guys. My name is Dwarka, and I'm from pcsplace.com. So here we are talking about the proper guide, a step-by-step guide to burn a bootable ISO image on your Mac. The best thing about a Mac machine is that you don't need any third-party tool to get your job done. So everything is there on your machine. So you just have to use them. So I'll show it by converting a disk which actually has a Red Hat Linux Enterprise 5. I have a DVD, so I'll use this DVD to get an ISO image of it. So the first thing I would do is just insert the disk in which I have the contents. So I'm just putting it in, right? It's in, I suppose. So let's see it. Yes, it's reading it. It's almost done, I suppose. Alright, so here we can see it. Here's the disk. So now I'm trying to get an ISO image of this. So the first thing that I would do is to use this magical tool which is called disk utility. So this comes with every Mac machine. So now here you can see your required DVD. So this is what I'm going to convert. So I'll just select this thing, go to file, go to new, then choose disk image, whatever is the name of your DVD. So just open it. Now you just have to name, there's a name that would go with the CDR image. So in this particular step, we'll not be getting an ISO image, we'll be actually getting a CDR image, so which is basically this thing. So you have to choose the image format as DVD and CD master. We'll name it, let's name it as Red Hat. So make sure that you do not have any spaces in it because we're going to use the name in terminal. So just make sure that no spaces, no spaces. So and one more thing that I have to take care of is that image format is chosen as DVD CD. So just click on save. It'll take some time. So I already have it, so I'll better cancel it. So since I have it, I need not do the whole thing again. So I have it over here. Here is the CDR that I'm talking about. So this CDR is what you would get after using the disk utility for the conversion. So now I'll just eject it because I no longer need the disk because I already have its image copy. So now my job is to convert that image copy into ISO. So there's one simple command using your terminal, you can get it done. So all I do is, here is my terminal. So first thing that you have to do is get to the location where you have your CDR image. So I have it on my desktop. So I do it this. I'm sorry, I'm already over there. So I need not do it. So here you can see it. Alright. Yeah. This is my file. So I have to get it into ISO. Just clearing it. Now just one simple command. So here's the command that I was talking about. So all you need to do over here is use this command where this is the name that you want to give it to your ISO, and this is the name that is of the CDR file, and this is the actual command. So what I'll do is just copy this whole thing, I'll paste it over here, press and enter. Now this will again take some time. You can use it says that creating hybrid image, so it completely depends on the size of the file, the size of the DVD. So this will take time. It took around 5 minutes or 5 to 7 minutes for me. So since I already have it, I think I'm good to cancel it. So I was talking about the ISO. This is the ISO that would work for this. So let me delete this one. Alright. So once completed, this was the ISO that I got. So it's the turn to get it written, to get it burned on your disk. So just take an empty CD, put it inside your ROM. So I'm just doing it. So make sure that it's empty because you're gonna make a bootable disk from it. So empty would be the preferred one. So what I would do here is, first thing, I'll just close it off. So it's reading. You just have to wait until, yeah, it is auto detected. So in the action type, choose as open other application. Here you have to choose the application as disk utility. I did that. Do an OK. Now you can see the CDR image, but I want to burn the ISO image. So all I would do is drag this one and drop it over here. So now you can see the ISO image. So just click on it, click the burn button. And once you click on the burn button, it will take some 2 or 3 minutes. The disk is burned, and you can use your ISO image copy disk to install. So this disk can be used to install Red Hat Linux on any Windows machine. So that is all. It's so simple, right? So I'm just giving the link below this video, so you can just click on it and get a step-by-step instruction guide with the proper screenshots. Thank you for watching. This is Dwarka, PC's Place.